name is Nur Anis Nabila binti Bilatib. My matric number DD190050. And I will explain in the introduction part. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a massive effect on almost everyone in the world, including manufacturers. With everyone being more careful of their interaction with human and object, personal hygiene has taken serious precedence over all the other factors in public space. Hand sanitizer are available in many public settings, however, they must be manually activated. To avoid any contact at all, some no-touch hand sanitizer dispensers are commercially available, but they are expensive and most of the shelf commercial sanitizers cannot be automated. In this project, we create a contactless hand sanitizer dispenser that can be used for any press to release hand sanitizer available in the market. For the objective, first, to understand the function and control of each electronic component and how it is integrated into the automatic hand sanitizer. Second, to develop an automatic hand sanitizer using Arduino Mega. Third, to enhance the knowledge of programming using basic Arduino programming language.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashiki binti Razali and I will take part in the real-life applications of automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. Okay, first of all, as we know, since the coronavirus began to spread over the world, there has been a significant increase in the demand for hand sanitizer. So, we all know by using hand sanitizer during this pandemic may reduce the possibility to be infected. In the existing market, in Malaysia, there is a type of automated hand sanitizer dispenser with push button. However, this type of hand sanitizer dispenser frequently has the potential to become contaminated and serve as a breeding ground for infectious agents. And according to the previous findings, it is abundantly obvious that mechanical and electrical dispenser with push button are susceptible to contamination microorganisms which might cause hand-associated disease (HAI). Therefore, automatic hand sanitizer dispenser was proposed in this project. This type of hand sanitizer dispenser is contact-free, no mess and no fuss. Next, the scope of this project consists of 3 scopes. Firstly is, this project is an automatically Arduino-based control system, so it can be activated by the user automatically when needed. The next scope is, the system to be activated is limited to 20 cm in range from the sensor. And the last scope is, the system is only applicable for liquid-based hand sanitizer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for the theory part, this device is an automatic sanitizer dispenser. It releases a certain amount of liquid on hand by certain distance. So it has an ultrasonic sensor which detects the presence of hand that placed under the sensor. Then it has a 12 volt peristaltic pump. It's used to release the sanitizer liquid. An Arduino Mega board to control the whole system. The NPN transistor to control the pump. A flyback diode is used to protect the Arduino from the back EMF produced by the pump. So the last one is a 12 volt power adapter. Is used to power up all the whole system.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahin Ammar bin Shahrul Azlan. My matric number is CD190261. I will explain about component list. So for the component list, we got 7 components. So for the first component is ultrasonic sensor, which the function is to detect any obstacle but transmit sonar and receive back to process the distance of any presence of object. Next, the second component is wire jumper, is to conduct electrical circuit to be connected among each of the other components. The third component is Arduino Mega, this is the main component. It acts as the brain of the system and process the whole signals received and decide the output for the system. The fourth component is power adapter. The 12 volt 2 amp power adapter is to supply power for Arduino to be function. Next, The next component is transistor to control the speed of a motor, and it also be used as a switch, allowing us to effortlessly turn on or off a DC device with this transistor. Next, diode is act as a rectifier in electronic appliance power supplies by converting AC voltage to DC with the assistance of other filter capacitors. It is designed to cope with high voltage. The final component is peristaltic pump, which is it feeds fluid through the tubing by pushing a flexible tube against the pump housing as it rotates. The roller expands and creates a vacuum as it passes over the tubing, allowing more fluid to enter. Next, I will continue for the experimental procedure. So for the first step is to creating the hand sanitizer dispenser. For the requirement component for making this automatic dispenser are Arduino Mega, breadboard, jumper wire, USB cable for Arduino connection to laptop, diode and peristaltic pump. Next, to make it the sanitizer dispenser automatically works, we need to add a sensor to complete the system, which ultrasonic sensor is the main component, and then the wire transistor. Next, this complete circuit with this component is made up perfect automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So for a sensible time, add some delay within the coding for a motor execution in 5 seconds delay. So this is our schematic diagram for circuit, and then this is our complete assembled component for automatic sanitizer dispenser.
Hi, my name is Siti Aishabati Isri. I'm going to explain about data analysis and discussion. The flowchart shows a program that is loaded into the microcontroller using Arduino software design. Arduino software will process the input data that has been obtained, the reading data from the infrared sensor and the ultrasonic sensor will be sent to the controller. Then Arduino will send the value to activate the water pump and node MCU. This automatic hand sanitizer container uses sensors to detect object motion. The sensor is programmed as automatic connected to the microcontroller. This system uses an ultrasonic sensor and infrared sensor. Data from the ultrasonic sensor will sent to Arduino, processed by Arduino and transferred to the node MCU. When the input gets a signal, the water will come out automatically through the pump. To find out the results of the ultrasonic sensor system, this experiment has conducted 9 experiments with an experimental distance of 20 mm to 100 mm. From the table, it has been set on the work sensitivity of the infrared module by adjusting it according to the hand distance requirements of the infrared sensor. When experimenting with the tool, the object has degree of 0 degree. Thus, the object, the infrared sensor, is in a parallel position.
So as conclusion, this is a simple project, control project, which can be made anywhere. This project may help people to use sanitizer effortlessly, or use it to sanitize your belongings, such as your bag, your computer, your handphone, and so on. So we also learn how Arduino works, its hardware and software characteristics. Next, we learn how to program Arduino using its native software. So the opportunity to use Arduino creatively is limitless. Although it has limitation, But it is an excellent tool for learning programming. Thank you.